And do you think there's anything specific across all these different product categories that is top of mind for all these companies? Is it privacy and data security? Is it the data that's being exchanged and be able to leverage that for other uses? Are there any kind of similarities that you see across these different categories?
And everyone has to offer a very secure kind of solution, right? That's more and more in everyone's minds right now, that they can get into a lot of trouble and really get some negative brand exposure if they have particular security issues. But I think there's a general deep feeling in the industry that getting that data, specifically user data and application usage data, into the cloud at a large scale so that they can understand how people are using and consuming these features and services, and to then be able to focus resources on areas where it really looks like there's a payback for spending money in that particular area to enhance feature sets and things like that.
Yeah, really interesting. So you all are doing a lot in the sense of enabling those services, but then as we know, data is becoming quite valuable for companies. It really is looked at as an asset now in the sense of, just all that can be understood from the data and like you said, different ways to use the data that may help with that product development. So very interesting there. Are there any other specific things that you want to mention about some of the services that you're working on, particularly as you come under the FPT software family?
Well, yeah, I mean, I might have had two or three kind of data science experts when I was just Cardinal Peak, but now we have basically an 800-person kind of data science AI ML team. So when we have particular data kind of challenges or interesting potential opportunities, we can focus teams very quickly on kind of like doing POCs to prove out whether or not there is the sufficient data to start to do some machine learning and some AI work, and or start to work with the customer to say, hey, we need this kind of particular data in order to be able to make this type of operational decision or targeting for advertising or something like that. So it's really, we can just bring so much more power to a particular problem. And then we've got the pricing options now, right? We're not just purely onshore, but we're also near shore and offshore. So we can start to work on different cost models for different customers.